Hey y'all, welcome to our local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today we have my hunk of burnin' love who is going to cook with me today. And we are going to make you some
Looks good.
$1 million meatballs. Doesn't that sound good?
That sounds good.
You like chicken. I'm not a big chicken fan, but I will eat it occasionally. So,
Yard bird.
yes, so we have a pound of ground chicken right here. And we're going to make some meatballs. I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and I also have some boiling water going because we're going to serve these over pasta. So you can use whatever kind of pasta you'd like, but I'm going to show you what we're going to put ours on.
Now, did you look it up and make sure that this is the correct way to make $1 million meatballs? 'Cause
This might not be the correct way to make $1 million meatballs.
someone's going to comment, $1
This is
million
not
meatballs.
the way you make $1 million meatballs, but this is the way we make it.
And you're not eating it, so you don't have to worry about it.
Okay, so I'm going to show you what I'm using. Thin spaghetti or angel hair or whatever, but I thought these would be good. Egg noodles. I thought that would be good to serve it on. What do you think?
Yeah, anything. I mean,
And I'm only going to use half a bag because
noodles are noodles to me. They all
Right.
taste the same.
pasta.
I guess.
I mean,
Pasta.
whatever. I've got my water going for my noodles, and as soon as it comes to a rolling boil, I will get those cooked. But right now we're going to make our meatballs, and so these are the things that we're going to put in it.
That's good.
1 pound of ground chicken. Then you're going to put in 1 cup of crushed Ritz crackers.
Ritz.
We're going to do 1 egg. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons. If you have fresh garlic and you want to mince your own garlic, then you can do that. But I like to use this roasted garlic. So I'm
Ooh,
going to
that's
use,
strong smell.
it is strong. So I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of this minced roasted garlic. Now we're going to do 1/4 cup of half and half.
Do I need to get something straightened that up?
Actually, we're going to use our,
Oh.
I know you probably don't want to do that.
I don't know if you got some man-sized gloves.
I don't have man-sized gloves. And then I'm going to use 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And we're also going to do 1/4 cup of chopped green onion. Now, let me find some gloves. Forgot something. Forgot my mozzarella cheese.
You know what that is?
And salt,
Oh,
salt and
Parmesan.
pepper. Okay, let me add. Do also some mozzarella cheese. And you can probably do,
Enough?
yeah, if you like, yeah, that's good. If you like a lot of mozzarella, put more in there. I'm going to say about 1/2 cup. All right, now we're going to make some meatballs. Mix this all together. Oh, hello, come on in. You can be on our video.
Uh-oh.
Come on in.
No videos.
Oh, it's the gas guy.
Hello.
How do you like being known as the gas guy?
I like it.
Cody,
It keeps me busy.
Cody, the CO2 guy.
That works too.
All right, all right.
Probably better than gas guy.
As long as you guys aren't running out, that's all I care about.
Okay.
Probably whatever.
Hey, we've been so busy.
Have you?
Yes, so we probably are running out. I don't know. I haven't even checked. Alex
This one's
usually, okay, Alex usually checks everything. So,
Okay.
yeah.
How
if you want to
did
go
the
on,
float trips go for your
they
daughter?
didn't go because it rained so much. They
Oh,
couldn't
really?
go. Yeah.
Well, good. Then we're happy
Woo,
about
the
that.
Lord answered my prayers.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll go check your other one.
Okay, thank you so
Thank you.
much.
You guys are very welcome.
Okay, so you're just going to make little meatballs, just like this.
Perfect.
This makes more than I thought it was going to make.
Here. Oh, you got it.
Ah,
It
are you
smells
sure
so
you don't want to
good.
make a cameo appearance?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, pop your head in,
appreciate
Cody.
it.
Tell everybody, come and say hi. So
Hello.
if you need some CO2,
Yeah, BTS gas. Look us
BTS,
up.
yeah, go ahead. Go
Appreciate
ahead.
you.
Yeah.
You guys do all kinds of stuff, right? Like welding
Food
gas.
grade gases, no
Just
no
food grade?
flammables.
Okay.
Yep, just food grade.
Yeah.
Nitrogen, argon, and CO2.
All
so
right, BTS gas.
Awesome.
There you go.
Thank you, guys.
thank you, appreciate you.
Bye, Cody.
Have a wonderful
See
week.
ya. You too.
See ya.
All right, baby. In the oven for about 15 minutes. I'll clean this up. Okay, now for the $1 million sauce that the meatballs will go in. So I've just chopped up a 1/2 package of bacon, which is probably about 1/2 pound. Would you say about 1/2
Not a
pound?
lot of bacon.
Not a lot. I mean, do you want more or?
You can never have too much bacon. Oh, that's probably
I
worth.
think this will be fine. All right, so Actually, the recipe called for a jar of pre-made, already made Alfredo sauce, which I thought I had here I thought I had that here when we were at the grocery store twice. But I got here and we don't have it. So we're gonna improvise.
You gonna make your own?
We're gonna make, I had seen this before on Nicole McLaughlin, love her. She made this really fast Alfredo sauce and it was so easy. She did it with cream cheese. So that's what we're gonna do. So I've got my bacon already kind of crisp up. We're gonna put 1 block of cream cheese in here. Now, to make this easier on you, you can just go ahead and buy a jar of Alfredo sauce.
That's no fun.
And I recommend Rayo's. I love Rayo's. It's the best. So we're gonna put a block of cream cheese.
We've already made 2 trips to the grocery store today. So
I was not going back because I already had forgotten something.
It's busy out there for
It was so
Monday.
busy, so busy. All right, and I'm going to do another big teaspoon of garlic. Now I'm going to put the blend in. You can do salt and pepper if you'd like, but I'm going to go ahead and do the blend because I love the blend. So we're going to do a good tablespoon and then some crushed red pepper, whatever your heart's desire.
Pizza
there.
pepper.
This dried parsley. Good tablespoon of that.
That just to give it some color.
Yeah, I think so. That'll be great. And now we're going to put in, you can use milk or half and half, and I'm going to use half and half. Or you could use heavy cream if you wanted. I'm going to just start pouring this in. And then
Use whatever you want. You got $1 million budget.
That's right. $1 million meatballs. So that looks like probably about a cup. Let's do 2 cups of this. And then you're just going to mix this up until it is nice and creamy. But I'm also going to add the rest of the package of my grated Parmesan cheese. And this is looks like it's probably about a cup. So let's do that.
This is going to be better than that crap you buy at the store.
It's going to be so good. Now, if it seems to be a little too thick for you, then go ahead and just add a little bit more half and half. And you can season this however you want. You can put Italian seasoning in this, whatever you'd like. Did you get it on your bed?
Yeah, I'm getting a little.
Okay. I need your apron. We ordered you an apron. I have an apron for you.
Oh my God, I can't wait to try it on.
I did get you an apron.
I hope it's my size. I wear a medium husky.
Didn't I order you an apron? Was it?
And one?
Yeah, it was a nice one. I don't remember. It's for your grilling when you get back home. Okay, this is looking a little thick to me, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more in here.
I like it a little thick.
You do? I know you do.
Thick.
Thick. Okay, that
Can we turn it
looks
down?
good. All right, yeah, I'll go ahead and turn this down just a little bit. Okay. I'm going to turn this off for now, and when our meatballs are done, we're going to pop them right back in and then turn it up a little bit. Let me taste
Do we need
it.
to cook our noodles yet?
Pretty good. Pretty good. All right.
Need salt and pepper?
It might. But my noodles cooked, and then we'll put it all together. Our meatballs. So 400 for 15 minutes, and just to be safe, I checked the internal temperature, and they are at 165. Actually, they're at 187, so we're good on the meatballs.
Well done. This is looking good.
So we're good on the meatballs. If you want to check them and make sure, just so you know, they are done. All right, so I've got my noodles done. Right here, I'm going to put a little bit of water. I'm going to put a little bit of butter. Noodles done. And now I'm going to pop all of my meatballs right into our sauce. Got my noodles. Now I'm going to add a little lemon juice to my sauce to make it a little summery. What do you think?
I don't think you can hurt it.
I don't think it will hurt it. I think that'll give it a little, yeah. I like lemon juice, so let's get that mixed in there. I just had that idea last minute. So get it mixed in good. Try.
I need to plate it up and make it look awesome.
I'll find us something to eat with here. Yeah, give us some sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of green onion here on top. You think that's enough?
Enough?
think that'll be good for a test. A little crushed red pepper. Look at that. Holy moly, that looks so good. That meatball, don't you?
That's good.
Oh my gosh. Look how good that meatball looks. That's so good.
That is good.
Holy moly.
And it's I don't know, it kind of tastes summer. I don't, you know what I mean? Like, you know,
That's delicious.
it is good.
If you guys come to Branson, Missouri on vacation, come and see us here at Local Flavor. We would love to have you. Thanks for hanging out with us. And go make this. It's delicious.
It's good.
Man, I'm not a big chicken fan, but I'm pretty impressed with that meatball.
We'll get a plate for some.
It's like a creamy